What's up, dudes? Jello here. Oh god, not this thing again. We're having a little issue with this guy, but don't worry. Honda sales back, guys! I hope you are happy. Okay, so let's see here. This thing has been sitting. Haven't cranked it since I got it to the shop. Eh. Yeah! My kickstand's messed up, so I have to use a block of wood. But guys, Honda. There's a Honda there, Honda. 5 Hondas. 5. It is like 30 degrees. It's cold, but if you're wondering why it sounds so weird, you got a rusted hole underneath that. Otherwise, Honda sells back. Yeah! You little 08 Honda, you freaking piece of work! Why won't you start? Ah! But anyways, this guy's running good, and videos will be coming out soon. Like and subscribe. It's always free, and you can change your mind. Y'all have a great day. Jello4182.